Here is a comparison between Songsterr and Ultimate Guitar Pro. Songsterr is an application where you can go ahead and choose from which tutorings would you like on your guitar. As you can see, it is very detailed. You can choose your difficulty from beginner, intermediate, and advanced, and choose a song that you'd like to learn. And as you can see, there is a very organized and detailed process on how are you going to learn the chords of it. On the other hand, the Ultimate Guitar Pro is a application that you can use for you to learn your guitar just like the Songsterr. But here, you can choose and pick a genre on your end. And the songs that will show is depending on the country where you at. As you can see, it is here in the Philippines, so the song suggested is a Filipino. Now, here's a table for a quick comparison. For tab and collection and quality, Songsterr Plus is a smaller but often highly curated, while Ultimate Guitar Pro is vastest collection of user submitted. For interactive player features, Songsterr includes tempo control, loop, solo, mute, beat, shifting, and tab generation. For Ultimate Guitar Pro, it only includes tempo control, loop, and transpose. For user experience and cost, Songsterr is more cleaner, while Ultimate Guitar Pro has more features and learning resources. So if you want a more cheaper to learn a guitar, you can avail Songsterr. But if you want a high features but has a higher monthly cost, you can go ahead and avail Ultimate Guitar Pro.